Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup zoning research with Municode Library, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Municode Library website. Use the search bar to enter the appropriate keywords related to your zoning research. Review the search results to locate the relevant zoning codes and ordinances. Click on the title of the document that pertains to your research topic. Once the document opens, familiarize yourself with the layout. Take note of the sections that are most relevant to your research. Highlight key passages or sections that contain essential information. Use the page navigation tools to explore different sections of the document. If the document is lengthy, employ the search feature within the PDF or web page to find specific terms. To create a backup, consider downloading the document for offline access. Look for a download button or icon, usually situated in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the file format in which you wish to save the document, typically PDF is standard. Ensure that you save the document in a designated folder on your computer or cloud storage. Create a backup by copying the document to an external hard drive or flash drive. Organize your saved documents in a systematic manner for easy retrieval later. If applicable, print a hard copy of the most critical zoning codes for immediate reference. Make additional notes or annotations on printed documents for further clarity. Consider compiling your findings into a separate document for ease of access. Review your research and backup process to ensure that all necessary documents are secured. Regularly update your backups as changes to the zoning laws occur. With your information backed up, you can confidently proceed with your zoning research. Check back periodically to the Municode Library for any updates to zoning codes that may affect your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.